ROE is net income over equity, but we could also rewrite it as net income over total assets, which is the return on assets multiplied by total assets over equity, which is equal to the equity multiplier. And this means that the more the firm has debt instead of equity, the less this ratio is, the less the denominator is going to be, then the bigger this ratio is going to be, and the bigger return on equity we have. We can continue writing this equation as NI over sales, which is the net profit margin, multiplied by sales over total assets, and this is the total assets turnover, multiplied by the equity multiplier. And these two represent the operating efficiency of a firm. And the total assets turnover means how much sales we're generating for every dollar invested in total assets. And this is what we call the DuPont composition. Now let's see how we could use it to calculate growth. So now all we have to do to calculate G is actually put the retention ratio, which is this, because we already know that G is retention times ROE, and this is ROE, and this is the retention ratio. And now we know that G is affected by net income, by retention, by leverage, net profit margin, and asset turnover. Which means that these factors influence this growth, and the bigger the net profit margin is and the asset turnover, so the more we have operational efficiency and the better financing decisions, the more we have growth, and sustainable growth actually. So this is it for this video. I'm going to follow it up with this small exercise about the DuPont model, so do check it out.